We missed this one on the last video, so we do want to hit it.
On the formal videos that we'll have translated and everything where we talk through stuff, we missed it, so we're going to do it one more time just in case.
Tuck a turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1.
One more time, going this way.
That's a good idea. Remember, you can use a grapevine outside turn, doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, I turn, I catch, and I release. And you can do multiples.
Okay.
We did the
outside roll.
You want to do the outside roll?
Outside.
All right. Okay, outside roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3 spin.
One. Let's do it going this way.
All right. Let's see. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
Yeah. We really talked about leaving your follow there, right? And sending yourself down and really getting a good prep on that, and then leading that last turn, giving the pulse, and leading that last turn with a step.
So if people were challenged by this move, it was not getting quite linear out in front of your follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
All right. And then, and we started this from an open grapevine.
Inside turn.
1, 2,
back
3,
hand.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Like, she not follow. So we have the free turn ending. Yeah.
Or the easy, nice relaxed one. And walk it out. Yeah, that has the same end as the shoulder catch. Where I started facing this way, did all the stuff, and I'm facing that way again.
It started off with a waterfall.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, walk 4, 5, 6. Where's the pivot? The left turn pivot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, and 4, and 1. She's helping me. 1, 4, and 7. Pivot. That's it.
No.
Not yet.
The whip and then the follow styling.
Oh, so close.
Okay, all right.
So the whip.
Sending your follow out. Yep.
2,
Prep.
3. Prep 4.
Prep 3 into 4.
Step back.
4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.
Up to speed. I also said that it's nice if I do a swing out. I consider that road mapping, seeing what my follow is comfortable doing. That's going to help me decide. So swing out.
Downline. Float. Okay, and then we did some follow styling. So it was adding some stuff to my turns. Any kind of free spin where I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be caught into something else. I can do arms, I can do just one or just the other, but I went out, up, straight arms, no bending, up, through, and back out. So my regular chaîné turn was a travel, turn, travel. So then this becomes travel, turn, travel. I'm still getting the benefit of the lead, and I'm still opening my frame at the end. So
we did just a basic tuck free spin, taking advantage of that nice send down line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
okay. And
We also did the leads under.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I shape my turn, so I'm just going to pour water out of my ear, whichever direction I'm naturally going. Don't tighten your neck follows. Just let it fall. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's do the grapevine, the pivot loop, and the inside roll. Grapevine inside turn. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it.
That's it. Finish.
Woo!
Thank you.